So the first contract that we've created is QCare Reactive, which used to be called the One Call for quantum controls. That's a contract where you can utilize our services. We provide unlimited technical support 24/7, but we also provide unlimited engineer to site call out. So think of the AA, think about when your car fails, think about when you call them out at the side of the road. If you have a drive failure at any time, you can ring our engineers day or night. They'll be there to answer your call, talk it through technically, but if you need them out, they're coming out. That's our entry level contract, which is called QCare Drives Reactive. Our more advanced contract is QCare Drives Proactive. This is where we take over your site, we look after all your drive assets, we provide annual maintenance on your drive assets. You get access to our drive asset management system, which is an online cloud-based system which all of your documentation goes into, all of your service reports, all of your quotes, everything that we can do, and it's password protected and you can access day or night, or so can your colleagues. We also provide through QCare Drives Proactive annual servicing on all your assets. It doesn't matter what age they are, what type they are, or what condition they're in, we will keep those drives running. After each service you'll get a full report and we'll detail to you what's needed, if that drive needs any attention, needs new parts fitting, or indeed if it's obsolete and we should be planning to replace it.